How to recover Snapchat password without phone number or email. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipan Besnat, and today I'll guide you or explain you on how you can recover Snapchat password without phone number or email. Now, first things first, the first thing is, can you recover your Snapchat account if you do not have the password or if you don't have access to your phone number or email associated with your particular account that you're trying to recover? Well, to get things straight, it's a no. Now I'll just show you this official help page of Snapchat support, and you can read it right here, how to reset your password. But down below you can see there, for security reasons we are unable to reset a password for an account if, now look at it, the email address you're writing in form is not associated with the account. So if you're typing in the email address that is not associated with your account or linked with your account, then they won't be able to help you to recover your account. And the other thing is, you do not know the associated email address or phone number. So if you don't have the associated email or phone number, then you won't be able to recover it. And if you do not have access, you can see the third point, you do not have access to the email address or phone number linked to the account. Now if you remember the password, then you can easily search in for your Snapchat username and enter in the username and password to log in. But if you forgot the password and you do not have access to email address or phone number whatsoever, then there is no absolute way to recover it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.